Okay, we are back on YouTube Live and back on the record. There was a brief moment so that Attorney White can speak to his client. And I believe there is something you'd like to put on the record.
Correct, Your Honor. And if I could ask my client on the records, Mr. Jackson, please listen to my questions, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Jackson wishes to withdraw his objection to the euthanasia order. We would enter into a consented order or stipulated order to euthanize Blue the dog. Your Honor, after seeing the first two witnesses and seeing the gravity of the situation, I think the pictures and the testimony, Mr. Jackson wanted to concede. He agrees that it's probably certainly not the best situation to bring Blue back in the neighborhood. He actually expressed concern and remorse for his neighbors and wants to keep that relationship good. And is, without saying too much, Judge, because we still have 5 pending misdemeanors, he's pretty regretful and sorry about what happened. He also has a new one at home, and seeing what happened to that baby, I think, has gone a long way within his mind. He was contesting this because obviously he loves his dog. His dog's like a family member, and that's why he objected and contested this long, but he doesn't want to have any ill will with his neighbors, the Coombs, or anything like that. Mr. Jackson, hearing my statement, do you consent to the court entering an order to humanely euthanize Blue, your dog?
Yes.
And by doing this, you admit you're doing this of your own free will. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Thank you, Judge. I'm satisfied that he's at this point consented to such an order.
Okay, I am as well. Anything, people?
Yes, briefly. Since Mr. Coombs is agreeing to this order, we did not have to put all the testimony on. I will no longer seek the restitution or the boarding cost that I was seeking. I do not remember off the top of my head how much it was, but we are no longer seeking that. And I will get an order to the court as soon as possible, written order for a signed euthanasia order of Blue. And for the witnesses that are still on the call, I will not need your testimony today, as we do have the order to euthanize the dog. And thank you very much for appearing and all your help on this matter.
Okay, and just for the record, the amount is $2,520. Mr. Jackson, the prosecutor is no longer asking that you pay that amount for the boarding of your dog Blue, okay?
I didn't. Can you repeat that? I didn't really hear you.
So the prosecutor was saying that she's no longer requesting that you pay the $2,520 for boarding your dog Blue, since the incident to this date is $10 a day. That request has been, of course, removed based off of your consent to have your dog euthanized.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Now, Mr. Jackson, don't hang up. Okay?
I'm not. I'm here.
One more thing for the record.
Yeah.
We still have 5 pending misdemeanors. I've talked to the prosecutor. We'll probably have a resolution of that. If we can schedule a pretrial today by Zoom, we'll probably have a resolution of the rest of this entire matter.
Okay.
She needs to talk to a few people as well. So.
Okay, so what day for pretrial?
Whenever works for you guys. Whatever.
Yeah, March 1st, Judge, if that works for the court. We can get this done in short order.
It's crazy on March 1st.
Okay.
In person. Yep.
Okay. Oh, it's the 8th or the 15th?
15th. Either one. We'll do March 15th.
Okay. And I'll be jumping in from Judge Garrett, Austin Garrett's courtroom too.
No problem.
Hopefully it should be very free.
Yeah, that should.
So, Mr. Jackson, your pretrial date will be on March 15th at 8:30 to handle your pending matters. There will be an offer that Attorney Whitey will relay to you, and he'll discuss with you how to move forward with that, okay?
Okay.
Is there anything else?
The only other thing, Mr. Jackson, while you are on the screen, I know the Detroit Animal Control Authority, once they humanely euthanize animals, they generally offer the ashes to their owner. If that's something you'd like to do, you just need to contact them in the next day or two.
Okay.
I just want to make sure you have that opportunity if you do want those answers.
Okay, thank you for letting me know that.
Absolutely. And the judge still needs to talk to you about an unrelated matter to this case, okay?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, I'm glad you know. All right, stay on the Zoom. She's got to talk to you.
Okay, I'm
Okay.
here.
For everyone else, thank you for your time. Mr. Coombs, I know you caught the tail end of it, but we stopped the hearing as there's going to be a stipulated order to euthanize the dog. After testimony has been clear, Mr. Jackson's been cooperative, does not have any issue with it. He wants to maintain a good relationship with the neighbors and go ahead and have the dog euthanized.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, you have a good rest of your day.